Did you know that Ford Motor Company introduced its first moving assembly line way back in 1913? This groundbreaking innovation marked the inception of Ford's technological journey, forever altering the landscape of automobile production. Imagine a time when each car was painstakingly assembled by hand, piece by piece. Enter Ford's moving assembly line, an ingenious system where each worker performed a specific task, passing the vehicle along to the next station. This sleek, efficient process slashed production times dramatically. The Model T, once a monumental task requiring over 12 hours to complete, could now be assembled in a mere 93 minutes. This remarkable achievement was unheard of in the early 20th century. Ford's moving assembly line not only revolutionized the auto industry, but also set the stage for modern manufacturing as we know it. And remember, the moving assembly line was just the beginning of Ford's technological journey. Fast forward to 1964, and Ford gave us the iconic Mustang, a car that captured the imagination of a generation. With its sleek lines and roaring engine, it was an instant hit. But the Mustang wasn't just a pretty face, it was a technological marvel as well. The Mustang introduced disc brakes to the Ford line, an innovation that provided better stopping power and safety. It also boasted a new type of V8 engine, offering an impressive balance of power and efficiency. Over the years, the Mustang has continued to evolve, never losing sight of its original spirit while embracing the future. Today's models are packed with cutting-edge technology, like digital dashboards that provide real-time data at a glance, and advanced safety features designed to protect drivers and passengers alike. From the moving assembly line to the birth of the Mustang, Ford was always pushing the boundaries of what was possible. In the 1950s, Ford became the first automaker to offer seatbelts, and in the 1980s, it introduced the industry's first airbags. This might sound like a simple fact, but it underscores Ford's enduring commitment to safety, a commitment that has consistently placed it at the forefront of the industry. In the mid-20th century, when most folks were still getting used to the idea of personal vehicles, Ford was already thinking about how to make these vehicles safer. The introduction of seatbelts was a pivotal moment in automotive safety. It was a bold step, a clear statement that Ford was committed to protecting its customers. Fast forward a few decades to the 1980s, and Ford was pioneering yet again. This time it was the introduction of airbags, another industry first. This innovation brought about a new era in automotive safety, offering enhanced protection in the event of a collision. But Ford's commitment to safety didn't stop there. Over the years, it has continued to lead the industry, introducing new safety features and technologies designed to keep drivers and passengers safe on the road. Ford's current safety technologies are a testament to this ongoing commitment. Consider the Co-Pilot 360 suite of driver assist technologies. This innovative suite includes features like automatic emergency braking, a blind spot information system, and a lane keeping system. These features work together to help drivers navigate the road more safely, reducing the risk of collisions and enhancing overall vehicle safety. But here's the thing. Ford's pioneering role in safety isn't just about introducing new technologies, it's about setting a standard for the entire industry. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible and then pushing some more. It's about ensuring that every person who steps into a Ford vehicle is as safe as they can possibly be. And that's why Ford's commitment to safety is so remarkable. It's not just about keeping up with the industry, it's about leading the way, about paving the path for others to follow. Ford's commitment to safety has not only saved countless lives but also set the standard for the entire auto industry. As we entered the 21st century, Ford was once again at the forefront of technological innovation, this time with electric vehicles. In 2011, Ford took a bold step into the future with the launch of the Ford Focus Electric. This was not just any car but a statement of intent, a commitment to a greener, more sustainable future. The Ford Focus Electric was one of the first all-electric vehicles from a major manufacturer, a true pioneer in its field. Yet, Ford didn't stop there. They continued to innovate, to push the boundaries of what was possible in the electric vehicle space. Their next big move? The Mustang Mach-E. Now, the Mustang is an iconic name, synonymous with power, performance, and style. But the Mach-E wasn't just a Mustang in name. It was a Mustang at heart, combining the soul of the classic muscle car with the benefits of electric power. With its impressive range, exhilarating acceleration, and cutting-edge technology, the Mustang Mach-E was a game-changer. It showed the world that electric vehicles could be just as thrilling, just as desirable as their gas-powered counterparts. But Ford's electric revolution didn't stop with passenger cars. In 2021, they unveiled the all-electric F-150 Lightning. This was a truck like no other, a truck for the future. It had all the power, all the capability that made the F-150 America's best-selling truck. But it also had something more. It had a zero-emission powertrain, a giant leap forward in sustainability. It had advanced features like a power frunk and intelligent backup power. It was, in short, a revolution on wheels. With its commitment to electric vehicles, Ford is helping to shape the future of transportation. Ford's electric revolution is more than just a series of innovative vehicles. It's a vision of a cleaner, greener, more sustainable future. A future where the thrill of driving is matched by the joy of leaving a lighter footprint on our planet. And if the past is any indication, we can expect Ford to remain at the forefront of this exciting new era. So, what's next for Ford? Well, the company is already working on some truly exciting technologies. One of the most thrilling areas Ford is delving into is the realm of autonomous vehicles. Imagine a world where your car doesn't just take you from A to B, but does so without any input from you. That's the future Ford is envisioning. The company is investing heavily in its Argo AI self-driving system, aiming to create vehicles that can navigate complex city streets and highways with ease. Ford's autonomous vehicle technology isn't just about making life easier for drivers, it's about making our roads safer and more efficient. But Ford's technological ambitions don't stop at self-driving cars. The company is also hard at work on connectivity features that will make Ford vehicles an integral part of our digital lives. Over-the-air updates, for example, will allow Ford vehicles to continuously improve and adapt to the needs of their drivers. These updates will bring new features, improve existing ones, and even enhance performance and efficiency, all without the need for a trip to the dealership. Ford is also embracing the power of the smartphone with its Ford Pass app. This app turns your phone into a command center for your vehicle, allowing you to start, stop, lock, and unlock your car right from your phone. You can even check your vehicle's status, find parking, and get help from a Ford guide, all with a few taps on your screen. These are just a few examples of how Ford is pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the automotive world. The company is committed to not only meeting the needs of today's drivers, but also anticipating the needs of tomorrow's. They're crafting a future where our vehicles are not just machines that get us from one place to another, but smart, connected devices that make our lives easier and more enjoyable. From the moving assembly line to autonomous vehicles, Ford has always been a pioneer in automotive technology. As we've seen, Ford's technological journey has been nothing short of remarkable. From its humble beginnings, Ford has always been a trailblazer. The company's first major innovation was the moving assembly line, a revolutionary concept that transformed the face of manufacturing. This innovation allowed Ford to produce cars on a scale never seen before, making the automobile accessible to the masses. The Model T, fondly known as the Tin Lizzie, was a testament to this groundbreaking approach, making car ownership a reality for millions. Then came the birth of the Mustang, an icon that redefined the American automobile. It wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of freedom and power. With its sleek design and powerful engine, the Mustang captured the hearts of car enthusiasts and became an instant classic. To this day, it remains a symbol of Ford's commitment to performance and style. Ford's innovative journey didn't stop there. The company played a pioneering role in the realm of safety. Ford was among the first to introduce safety glass in windshields, and later, it led the way with features like seatbelts and airbags. These innovations have saved countless lives and set new standards for automotive safety. Next, we witnessed Ford embracing the electric revolution. The launch of the Mustang Mach-E marked a significant step in this direction. This all-electric SUV combined the legendary performance of the Mustang with the benefits of electric power, offering a thrilling, emission-free driving experience. Looking ahead, Ford's technological journey is far from over. The company continues to invest in advanced technologies, from autonomous driving to connected car systems, promising a future where cars are not just a means of transportation, but a part of our digital lives. With its commitment to innovation and progress, Ford continues to drive the future of the automobile industry.